guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for clicking on my video today and joining me on doing a freestyle set. Freestyles are probably one of my favorite sets to do just because I love feeling so trusted. Like, my clients trust me fully with their nails, and I do want to share some beginner tips. So if you guys are interested, keep watching along, and thank you for watching. Before I get going, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and comment what other type of videos you guys would like to see from me. Hey guys, welcome to my very first voiceover. Throughout this process, I am going to be sharing tips along the way on each step. I do start off my prep by pushing back the cuticles and trimming down the nails, just so that way we have a nice clean base to start off with. With the fine grit sanding band, I do remove the shine off of the nail, keeping in mind, maintain a light and feathery pressure, light and feathery strokes. We do not want to over drill, over file the nail. My drill is set at a really low speed at 3 RPMs, rotations per minute. With a fine grit round head cuticle bit, I start by cleaning up the cuticles by tucking underneath, lifting them up and off the nail plate. As you can see, I did switch my direction. I am now going left to right, and I actually switched the direction on my drill as well to reverse. I do go in with a long head cuticle bit just once more, just to make sure that the nail plate is fully clean. This is probably like one of my favorite parts. Trimming down the cuticles and cleaning them up just gives your nail sets that luxurious look, and your clients really appreciate it. As you can tell, my tips do have a weird little indent right down the middle. These nail tips I love. They are from Not Polish coffin shaped nail tips. They are very curved, but my client has more of a flat nail bed, which is why I kind of like squish it down. When applying the tips, I also put the glue onto the nail and then apply the tip on top of that to avoid air bubbles. I also blend the nail tip to the natural nail. This is not necessary, but I love keeping everything clean. And of course, my other favorite part is shaping. I use the 80/80 grit file. I do not take too much time on my tip shaping. I just want to get the foundation right and get those sidewalls nice, straight, and crispy. Now I am cleansing and dehydrating the nail plate. I do have a dehydrator mixture, which is 2 parts alcohol, 1 part acetone, and I apply that with a lint-free wipe, just tucking under those cuticles, making sure that there's no dust. I do go in with the Young Nails Protein Bond, and as well as an acid-based primer. That is my favorite mix. It has my nails last so long. I am now starting my acrylic application. I do a thin layer of nude on the nail, just so that way you can't see her natural nail and it just gives it more of that clean look. And I'm going to be doing a glitter ombre. Literally, as I'm sitting down with my client, I'm coming up with my freestyle as I go. I just love being able to be creative and make women feel beautiful, and the fact that I'm so trusted makes me feel so loved. I do get asked a lot about my pricing on my freestyles. I am more on the higher end. My freestyles are $135, but with that, you do get a ton of designs, crystals, glitter, the whole shebang. So essentially, my clients get a better deal by booking a freestyle, and it also benefits me as well because I get to create content for you guys, and glamorous, beautiful nails feeds to my soul. So I kind of do my filing backwards from everybody. I do hand file first. So I go in and clean up my shaping, crisp it up. I am using a 80/80 grit. The lower the grit number, the coarser it is. After I clean up my nail shape, I do go in and hand file the entire nail. This just takes your guys' nail shape to another level. In my personal opinion, I think hand filing leaves your nails more smooth than the e-file, which is why I love doing it. I also flip my client's hands around so that way I can do the tip of the nails, making sure that they're really straight and crispy. And now I finally go in with my safety bit. I do use a 5-in-1 cone bit. This is where I am smoothing and sealing the cuticle, making sure that nothing is lifted and everything is tucked and flush to the natural nail plate. I also seal my cuticles a second time with a fine grit sanding band. This is where I blend the rest of the nail from the cuticle to where I hand file. And now I am finally buffing my nails, making sure that they are extra smooth. Look how gorgeous. And now it is finally the fun part. This is where everything starts to come together. I did decide to do some Frenchies today. So I paint my design with wet gel polish, and then I do not cure it. I instead sprinkle white acrylic and then I cure that. Now I can add all the fun charms and jewels. This is probably my most favorite part. It just brings the set to life. Here you guys can see me flash curing my charms. All that this is doing is making sure that my charms do not move around as I'm still working on the other nails. You guys can even find this light at Home Depot. It is a scorpion light. When I put my gems down, I try to keep them as flat to the nail as possible, trying to not have any gems poke up. And if they do, fill it with some gel. The gel that I use comes out of a squeeze bottle, and it is my favorite gel. It allows my gems to last for 4 weeks. I go around all of my gems and just seal all the way around, and so that way they don't fall. I love 3D art. My biggest tip with 3D art is honestly tapping. You guys can see that I'm constantly just bouncing my brush on top of the acrylic. The acrylic that I absolutely love is the Mia Secret 3D French white acrylic. It helps with my petals and with my little beads. Hey guys, so it is the end of my workday and it is almost gonna be dark, so I have to head home soon. But this is how my nail set came out. I absolutely love how they came out. So gorgeous, totally on theme for her baby shower, and just like perfect for the occasion. I do want to thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys were able to get a lot of good tips. If you guys have any questions or any comments, comment down below in the comment section. Any links to my products will also be down in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my Amazon storefront. I have a lot of amazing products that I recommend, that I even use to this day, listed on there. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.